Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried fish. You will need 1 pound of fish. For this recipe, I'm using tilapia, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. To a small bowl, add the salt and pepper. Now add the onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have cleaned and thoroughly dried your fish. Now season your fish with half of your seasoning mixture. Make sure each piece has been adequately seasoned, then set your bowl aside until later. Now add the remainder of your seasoning to your flour and mix well. Dredge your fish in the flour, coating evenly, then place on a wire rack. Add your oil to a cast iron skillet, then using medium heat, bring it to temperature. Now fry your fish for 6 to 8 minutes. Remove the fish from the pan, then place them on paper towels to remove the excess oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To